Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month as a giveaway, I do an eyeshadow palette. For the month of January, it is the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It talks about how to enter that. I also have a really big giveaway going on right now, and that's in honor of our 1-year anniversary here on YouTube, and that is the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson palette. Put that link in the description box down below as well. So today we are having a little mystery bundle. So this is the FabFitFun Winter Edit Sale Mystery Bundle. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription. It ships out every quarter for $49. In between that, they have their add-on sale, and you can get a FabFitFun Winter Edit box where the editors kind of curate to you kind of their favorite things from past boxes. And I did pick up one of those, and I will link that video in the description box down below. And it's unboxing of the editor's box. So this is the mystery bundle that I picked up, and it's $29 for the mystery bundle. So let's find out what I have. I do have a code for you guys that'll save you a little bit off of your subscription if you want to try out and join FabFitFun as well. It helps you out. It kind of helps me out a little bit as well. So the first product in here is the Moroccan Oil Gold Series. It is a pure argan oil moisturizing style cream for all hair types, made with pure Moroccan argan oil enriched with keratin. It is sulfate free. They are also cruelty free. This does retail for $19. It is 8.45 fluid ounces or 250 milliliters. And it's a nourishing and hydrate your hair while minimizing frizz and smoothing hair for styling ease. The refreshing leave-in formula promotes gorgeous hair definition with a soft hold. So I get a lot of frizz really easy. My hair is super curly. So I usually use a Bumble product that I've been loving. I tried out a different product recently, and it just left my hair feeling greasy and gross. So I am excited to try this out to see if it'll help with my frizz and kind of tame these curls. By Tazeka Aromatherapy. Does this look familiar for you guys been around a while? I did get this one in my last mystery bundle that I did. So I kind of wish that there was, you know, if you could send people different products that they get in their mystery bundles. Most of the time I've had really good luck. I've had one mystery bundle that wasn't but the rest of them have all been really good, and I've been really ecstatic, really happy with. And I do like this product. There's nothing wrong with this product. I love it. I get tension headaches all the time. This is really, I think that this has really helped with that. I just wish I could try something else. So this one does retail for $44.95. Remember, you only paid $29 for the mystery bundle for 4 items. And so far, we've already seen one at $19, and then this one here at $44. So this is obsessive worrying, relentless stress, overwhelmed by it all. Who can't relate? Anxiety can take a big toll on your body, mind, and spirit. Maybe you can't get a massage every day, but you can roll on the Tension Tonic anytime, anywhere. The deep floral rose essential oil is ideal for relaxing nervous system and priming your heart for emotional release. We layered it with a woody grounding vivitor to release the intellect's determined to grip on overthinking and harmonize your body and spirit. Tension Tonic is perfect for peaks of sudden stress, but it's especially signs when used over time for anxiety that stems from a deep subconscious source that cuts out all hope and happiness. This is our chill pill in a bottle. Roll it on, keep calm and collected. I use this at night and it really helps. I wake up a lot of times with tension headaches, and this really, really helps reduce that. So I'm happy about this. From Butter London is a Smoke Stick Quick Smoky Eye Shadow Duo. So it's kind of a flash fusion. I got this in Buzzworthy. So you kind of have this gold shadow and a dark one here. Butter London is cruelty free. This does retail for $20 and master the art of smoky eye in a flash. Our divinely rich and creamy shadow coordinates highlighter sticks, creates this smoldering look with long-lasting, crease-free wear. It's a sultry shades. This blendable matte formula is designed to be worn alone for a smoked-out effect or layered it with accompanying shimmer highlighter to define and highlight, providing an ultimate smoky eye. The sleek duo-sided stick is perfectly portable. Slip into your handbag for a simple and sultry on-the-go drama. At long last, an easy smoky eyes inside, no tools required. I do like that they put both on here. I'm not going to open this up because I'm going to be putting this one in a giveaway for you guys. I have really deep hooded eyes, and the shadow sticks just don't really work well for me. So I'm happy to put this in an upcoming giveaway. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 700 subscribers. So help us get there. Our 600 subscriber giveaway should also be going on right now. So check that in the comments down below as well. So this is really, really cool, you guys. This is from AquaSource. It's their Black Series Ultrasonic Whitening Toothbrush. It comes with 8 DuPont brush heads and 1 travel case. It whitens teeth in 2 weeks, 10 times removes more plaque than a traditional toothbrush, improves gum health in as little as 1 week. So it's an ultrasonic 40,000 BPM motor and wireless charging, 4 modes with a smart timer. The beauty brains and power. The Black Series is a world-class modern electric toothbrush packed with the most up-to-date technology. It features an ultra-powerful and industry-leading motor producing 40,000 vibrations per minute, lithium-ion battery, ultra-fast wireless charging, 4-mode operation, smart and vibrant timers, 8 DuPont engineered brush heads and bristles, and a custom travel case, all with a sleek, ultra slim, lightweight, waterproof design. Looks like this retails $36. And I think I'm going to be putting this one in a giveaway too for you guys. I already have an ultrasonic toothbrush that I really love, and so I'm going to be putting this one in a giveaway for you guys too. So I got stuff for me in here. The Tension Tonic, which I really, really love, have used in the past, do still use. And I'm anxious to try this Moroccan Moisturizing Style Cream. And then I got stuff for you guys in here. The Butter London Duo Shade Pencil, and then the Black Series Ultrasonic Whitening Toothbrush for here. What did you guys think? Mystery bundles are always, you never know what you're kind of gonna get with them. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought, what was your favorite. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Just hit that subscribe icon twice, and that'll turn on the notifications for you so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.